This is the push-up contest. Let's see who wins.
Bang, boom, bing, boom.
Ready?
Zach Chavez.
Set, go.
2 push-ups. Zach Chavez is the winner. And now let's talk about stuff, real stuff. Let's talk about relationship problems. Here's Dr. Phil. Hey guys. Hey guys. What are you home with? My family's poor. My family's poor? Yeah. My family's poor and I can't afford Christmas presents. That's okay. Just go to Goodwill and buy yourself. Wait a minute. Where'd my mustache go? Well, there's the end of my career. No mustache, no Phil. Bye, ladies and gentlemen.